Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do taxes for beginners TurboTax. Gather W-2s, 1,099, and receipts before you open TurboTax and create an account or ask. Choose the edition that fits your filing needs and answer simple interview questions honestly. Double-check employer names, social security numbers, and bank routing information for direct deposit of refunds. Save progress often and use help prompts if a term feels confusing. Start entering income by adding W-2 and Form 1099s into the income section of TurboTax. Use the guided prompts to import W-2s electronically when offered for faster entry. Mark any deductible expenses and select standard or itemized deductions based on which lowers your tax. Keep receipts scanned and note retirement contributions and student loan interest for potential credits or adjustments. Review credits like the Earned Income Credit and Education credits to reduce tax owed when eligible. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel and get more tips. Quick recommendation: I enjoy the book The Simple Path to Wealth for practical money mindset and clear saving advice, and it pairs nicely with tax planning. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to learn more. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Choose e-file and direct deposit for faster refunds and secure submission through TurboTax. Verify your return with a final review and resolve any flagged errors before submitting. If you owe, use payment options like direct debit, debit card, or IRS payment plans arranged through TurboTax. Save copies of your filed return and confirmations, and set reminders for quarterly estimated taxes if you are self-employed. Check state filing prompts, as TurboTax will guide those steps separately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.